Good morning all. Myself Arshdeep Kaur, a member of Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. So students, I hope so you all are well at home and safe at home. Today we are here to start with chapter number 3 of your book Beehive. This story is related to a small little girl and the name of the chapter is The Little Girl. So students, let us start with the chapter The Little Girl, that is chapter number 3. Before starting the chapter, let us learn something about the author of the chapter. The name of the author is Katherine Mansfield Bishop Murray. Was a prominent modernist writer of short fiction who was born and brought up in colonial New Zealand and wrote under the pen name of Katherine Mansfield. When she was 19, Mansfield left New Zealand and settled in the United Kingdom, where she became friends with modernist writers such as D.H. Lawrence and Virginia Woolf. Now something about the author. The author has written many of the writings and the name given to her writings were under the pen name of Katherine Mansfield. At the age of 19, the author has left for UK and over there she had made some friends like D.H. Lawrence and Virginia Woolf. Now let us begin with the chapter. We'll come with summary of the chapter. The Little Girl is touching story of the relationship between a girl named Kezia and her father. Kezia was afraid of her father and avoided him. She would not stammer in front of others, but while talking to him, she became nervous and stuttered. Now what happened? This little girl was very much afraid of her father. She used to stammer in front of her, but she was talking in a normal manner with others. So this shows her fear towards her father. One day, Kezia's grandmother suggested that she should make a pin cushion for her father's birthday, which was coming next week. Kezia stitched the three sides of it with a double cotton. She needed something to fill it with. Now after the grandmother's suggestion, Kezia thought let me make a pin cushion for my father on the occasion of his birthday. But she needs some stuff to fill it. So she was searching in the whole house that what all things she could use to fill that pin cushion. Kezia went into her mother's room and found some sheets of paper. She tore them into small pieces and filled the pin cushion and stitched the fourth side. Now searching in the whole house, the papers or some stuff that she could fill in the pin cushion, what did she found? She found some papers in her mother's room and she tore that paper into pieces and filled the cushion. The sheets of paper which Kezia had tore was her father's important speech for the Port Authority. Now the sheets that Kezia has broken and torn into small pieces, it was her father's speech. When her father came to know, he got very angry. He picked up the ruler and beat her. Kezia wept bitterly and asked her grandmother what had God make fathers for. Now after Kezia has done such a blunder mistake, father was very much angry. He beated her with a scale. And now looking this, she just wept out and said to her grandmother that grandmother, why father is like this? Has God made father for this purpose? Sometimes students it happens that when we want that our good relation should be there with parents and we want that there should be a sort of understanding between us. But what actually happens? The parents' scoldings make us cry, wept out. But at that moment of time, we do not know that these scoldings are for us only, for our betterment only. So let us find out what happened in the chapter next. Next morning, Kezia saw her neighbor next door, Mr. MacDonald, playing with his children. As you could see in the picture, he was playing with his children. Seeing this, Kezia felt that there was different kinds of fathers. Now, Kezia was one day standing at her doorside and she just saw one of the neighbor named as MacDonald. He was playing with his children. Seeing that love and affection towards his children, Kezia felt that why not my father is like that? Why he behaves with me like that? As he is also a father and he is behaving in such a nice way. One day, Kezia's mother fell ill and she went to the hospital with grandmother. Kezia was left alone in the house with Alice the cook. While Kezia was sleeping, she had the same nightmare which she used to see often. Now what happened? One day, Kezia's mother was not well. So, grandmother and mother left to the hospital. Kezia was left all alone in the house and she was left on with her servant Alice. She was a cook at their home. Now while she was sleeping, she had a nightmare. She used to see it often and get frightened with that nightmare. Kezia cried for her grandmother. She woke up trembling and saw her father beside her bed. He took Kezia to his room. He showed gestures of care and concern. Now as Kezia has seen a nightmare that has scared her, so she just trembled and shouted. But she saw her father standing beside her. Seeing that Kezia is trembling, father took her along with him to his room. He showed gestures of care and concern for Kezia. It was then Kezia realized her father's love for her for the first time. At that time, when her father was taking care of her in the absence of her grandmother and mother, Kezia realized that her father is also loving and caring. She felt sympathetic towards her father and she thought that why I am thinking so bad for my father. My father is a good person. He is not the way I thought him. Let us see the critical analysis of the story. The story talks about the relationship of a little girl with her father. The author has tried to bring out the fact that no matter how strict the parents are, deep down they have immense love for their children and always think of their good. So in this story also, they have told that how a little girl is taking a wrong image of her father, that he doesn't love her and he's not caring. Similarly, it happens in our lives also, student, that we take the scoldings of the parents in a wrong manner. And we do not understand that in this scoldings also there is love and affection for us. However, it has also been hinted that children accept love and affection from their parents, and if they are invariably scolded, then they either start holding grudges or they completely close themselves. Now what happens if again and again a child is scolded? So the child holds some type of grudges in the heart against the parents. They think that their parents do not love them. Childhood is a tender phase of life where a child has mixed emotions. The author has beautifully shown the innocence and confusions of this age. Now in this story, the author has told about this thing only, that how a child remains confused that the father and mother do not love him or her, but in reality, they are concerned for them, they love them. In the story, let us see the theme. What theme is there? The story, The Little Girl, revolves around the relationship between a father and a daughter. It reflects the feelings of a girl child towards her father and how an incident brings about a change in her attitude towards him. So, in the theme of the story, it is told that how a little girl was very much afraid and had got fear inside her heart for her father. But one incident of a nightmare has changed her attitude towards her father, because at that time she realized that her father loves her a lot and her father is concerned for her. So this ways her attitude towards her father was changed, children. This is the way we also deal with the things. Sometimes we think that the scoldings of our parents have made us grown so hard that we start hating them. But in reality, someday or the other we come to know that our parents are meant for us. They love us and their affection is in the form of scoldings for our betterment only. I hope so you have understood the chapter. So let us see, students, that what all chapters are being deleted from your syllabus. Literature, the book Beehive, the chapter removed are The Lake Isle of Inisfair, second, The Snake and the Mirror, third, The Duck and the Kangaroo, fourth, Kathmandu, fifth, A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal, from the book Moments, Ishwaran the Storyteller, second, The Accidental Tourist. I hope so, students, you have understood the chapter, the story of a little girl and the bond of father and mother with their children. So, students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.